So a few videos ago, we got a new vise. Well, the vise we got was pretty much junk. So we returned it. Dad found this other vise somewhere. A lot nicer vise, more heavy duty. And of course, these holes do not match up. So I'm going to take the torch and torch out new holes on this piece of metal that we made so that that can be all bolted down. So we're gonna take off these blades here. Gotta line this up. There's a nut back there, there's a hole. You can get it from the inside. Reach a socket through. Take these blades off and get these sharpened up so it's all ready to go. Had to get the big grinder out for that job. So Dad and I decided, since it's awfully nice out today, we're gonna save the in-shop work until it's raining this week. And I'm gonna get the skid steer, I gotta get this grapple bucket on it. And we've got a tree at a farm that's all broken down and needs cleaned up. So I'm gonna get this skid steer out, get the grapple bucket on, and get it loaded up to a trailer. Get this in. So as you can see, we're having an awful hard time getting that other hose in there. So I need to take a couple wrenches out there, crack open that hose, take the pressure off of it, and see if we can get it in. Well, we got the fittings hooked up, and I'm gonna put some fuel in this thing and load it up on a trailer. grapple bucket and just basically rip those limbs off the tree. Last branch here, we're really struggling with this last branch. He doesn't have a good way to grab onto it, and if he rams into it, I think it might swing back and hit the cab of the skid steer. It's a little damp over here in the field, but there might be a dry opening, and I'm going to try to get this truck turned around so we can take this grass patch back. I'm going to drop this trailer down and see if I can turn the truck around. Okay, that's turned around. I thought maybe I could get a little fire started over here, but it's just really kind of too wet. All the branches are too damp, so ain't gonna work. Have to wait. We'll wait for a drier day, or for it to dry out. Well, this is all done here, so now we got a field that's got a pretty big size rock, I think, on the end rows, so we're gonna use this grapple bucket and see if we can get it out. That's a pretty good size rock. So Dad and I are gonna get the mud cleaned off of this ditcher and wash it off and put it away, because whenever it dries up now, it's gonna be go time for the planters, and not gonna be using this anymore till the fall time. So clean it up and put it away. Well, we got that unhooked and it's going to be put away for a while, so we'll rinse off this tractor, put it back in the shed.